Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Royal Queue with Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to API Management. Create a new API key, ensuring you enable spot and margin trading permissions but disable withdrawal. Copy your API key and secret key. Then, open your Royal Queue app, go to API Binding, select Binance and paste your keys. Confirm the binding to link your accounts successfully. Now that your accounts are linked, it's time to set up your trading strategy. In Royal Queue, choose a cryptocurrency pair such as BTC/USD. Define your first buy-in amount, perhaps $10, and set the number of margin calls. Crucially, configure your take-profit ratio, for instance, 1.3%, and the whole position take-profit callback, maybe 0.3%, to maximize your returns. With your strategy active, regularly monitor your trades within the Royal Queue app. The Revenue tab provides a clear overview of your daily and cumulative profits. Pay attention to market fluctuations and be prepared to adjust your strategy if needed. You can pause or restart specific trades, or even modify parameters like the take-profit ratio to adapt to changing market dynamics. For advanced users, explore Royal Queue's various trading modes, such as cycle mode for continuous trading or one-shot mode for single trades. Consider implementing a martingale strategy, where the bot increases buy-in amounts after dips to help recover losses more quickly. Remember to always manage your risk and only invest what you can afford to lose. Also, for staying refreshed during your trading sessions, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.